Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to check the npm installed version inside your machine. Npm is nothing but it's a package manager for handling the node.js packages, third-party packages that you install. So the command is simple: npm dash dash version. Then it will exactly tell you which version is installed on your system. Npm dash dash version. So it is 10.9.2 for in my case, and you can even do where npm, so it will exactly tell you where npm is installed. So this will give you the full location. So it is located inside this C program files node.js folder. So you can go to the file explorer window, directly paste this address, and now you will see inside this folder structure we have this all these executables. One such executable is this npm as well. You can see this is your npm executable, which allows you to download any third-party package of Node.js. You simply write the command npm I express. This will install your express package inside your project. So this is, if you still doesn't have npm not installed, first of all you need to install Node.js for this, because Node.js is required for npm to work. So it basically comes automatically installed with if you install Node.js, npm will come automatically installed with it. So Node is also, you must have installed Node.js for npm to work. So as you can see, so just install Node.js and your npm will also work. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.